Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Groupon account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Groupon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll land on the Groupon homepage where you can see all the latest deals and offers. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Groupon homepage. This is where you'll find all the important footer links that contain privacy settings and account management options. It might take a moment to reach the very bottom depending on how many deals are displayed on the page, so just keep scrolling until you see the footer section. Once you're at the bottom, look for and click on Privacy Statement. This link is crucial because it takes you to the section where Groupon handles all data and privacy-related requests. Clicking this will open up Groupon's privacy policy page where you can manage how your personal information is handled. On the privacy policy page, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll see an option that says Data Request. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to give you control over your personal data stored on Groupon's servers, including the ability to view, download, or delete it entirely. After clicking Data Request, you'll be presented with several options for managing your data. Look for the option that says Delete All My Data and click on it. This is the most comprehensive deletion option available and will completely remove your account and all associated information from Groupon's database. Next, you'll see a series of checkboxes appear on your screen. These boxes are there to confirm that you understand what deleting your data means, including the fact that you'll lose access to any unused Groupon vouchers, deal history, and saved preferences. Make sure to check all the boxes to proceed with the deletion process. This step ensures you're fully aware of the consequences before permanently removing your account. Finally, click Confirm Request. By doing this, you're submitting your deletion request to Groupon and they'll process it according to their data retention policies. Your account and all personal data will be permanently deleted from their system, and that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to delete your Groupon account and all your personal data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.